Hello, welcome to another project update. So today I did a bunch of other things. Um, Continuing from yesterday, I went through all of the water materials and I unified them into a simple system. So I'm using this transparent Nintendo 64 style shader, and what I'm doing is I'm layering two instances of the shader on top of each other, which is something that you can actually do in this engine, which is pretty cool. All right, so on. So all of my water shaders, they now work properly. There's one. So not water shaders, water materials. Um, they all use the same shader. Um, yeah, so here's one. Here is another. Here is another. And another. This one is designed to represent rapids. And there's the last one. I'll probably add more. If you're wondering where I got these textures from, these textures are from a website called Screaming Brain Studios. I'm not affiliated with them, but they make good textures, and they're completely free and open. And yeah, open. The license for them is very open, so you could just use them for commercial projects. Screaming Brain Studios. All right, so after that, I continued. Whoa. Sorry about that. I'm not sure what it is, but whenever you save or switch from one scene to another, for some reason, I don't know if this is just a problem with the engine or if it's just me, but it plays back some of these audio stream players. I don't know if that's a bug or if that's just my instance of or something with my code. But yeah, anyways, I went through. Oh. It keeps happening. Oh, I know I know what causes it. It's because I click on the reset button here, which. Oh, I see. Hold on. There must be a. There must be one of these. Yeah, here we go. Here it is. There we go. All right, so apparently in my reset animation, which is generated automatically, the the keyframe for triggering these audio players was set to true. Apparently the key, yeah, I feel like that shouldn't be the case. Apparently it is. All right, so I went through all of these animations, well, not all of them. I went through them up to a certain point because I can only do so much in one day. So this is all done yesterday, what you're seeing right now. So combat part. This bit here. Okay. So in this particular area, I do believe I finished updating. Oh, I just spotted another problem. There should be like a fence here. All right, so apparently I'm not done. But yeah, I went through this area here and updated a lot of the. Oh, there's another missing thing here. I updated a lot of the meshes to better reflect the actual level. Now that I think about it, I think that what I should do is I should, in my files here, I should create an instance of just the full level, only geometry, and then use that whenever I need it, and only update that instead of having to copy and paste things and update everything all the time. I should have done that a lot sooner. I'll probably do that tomorrow actually, or next time I work on the project. So I feel like it's one of those things where this keeps getting in the way and slowing me down. And I think that looks pretty cool up there. Yeah. Besides that, most of these stuff here has been updated. The textures and stuff have been updated. So what happens in this one? It's pretty much just a quick little camera pan. The camera is like zoomed in on like the planet there. Moves down to here. Then you get a little shot of this character's room. This is actually not done yet. There should be a bed here, and the player character should be seen sleeping in it. It's designed to be reminiscent of the introduction of Zelda Ocarina of Time. If you ever played that game, that's kind of got a similar intro, except the camera doesn't pan because it's a static background in that game. Well, here is where the music plays. I'm just gonna turn it down a bit because it's a bit loud for me. Okay, so this is another area that I've been working on today. I pretty much just went through all of this area and started switching so I've been in the past I've been using a particular shader that kind of works the way that I want it to, but it's not quite as good, and it's still in the code somewhere. But what I've been doing is I've been going around and switching them over to this N64_lit shader or other variants of that. So over here I have a bunch of shaders. There's fire shader, lit shader, right, N64 lit, N64 lit cutout, N64 lit cutout mask, N64 lit emission shader, lit transparent, lit transparent mask, metal. I'm not sure what this metal one is all about. It just kind of makes things look weird. I did not write most of these shaders, by the way. I found them on the internet. I think if you just Google Godot Engine 3.6 or whatever version you're using, N64 shaders, you'll probably find the shaders that I've been using. And I do believe that they're on a permissive license, so there's no worries about copyright issues, as far as I know. And yeah, that is kind of where I left off. I think I got carried away with this part, and I should probably go back and where is it? Oh, that was a little crazy. Here, I should go back here. Oh, lighting's different. Anyways, I should go here and add all the stuff that needs to be there, like all the table, the furniture, and the player character model. Anyways, that's probably it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.